I am Jamie Mendoza. I'm the Senior Project Manager for WWTW joint venture, working on behalf of Southern Water. Today we're back at Woolston Wastewater Treatment Works. We're installing new filters that will help improve the quality of the treated wastewater. The dirty water is passed through a series of these filters as the final part of the cleaning process of these works. They help take out small particles and bugs and are a key process in ensuring the water quality leaving the site is even better. Once the water has been passed through these filters, it is then discharged into the River Itchen, which then leads to the Southampton waters. Southern Water is investing millions of pounds in the Hampshire area alone to help protect the environment. The work will help improve the quality of the water, which is important to the local shellfish and other wildlife living in the area.